So, picture this. I was zipping around Mumbai on my scooter, probably thinking about what to order for dinner or my next video script. It was just a normal, chaotic Tuesday. I stopped at a jewelry store to look at some earrings I'd been eyeing for weeks. Suddenly, out of nowhere, a car comes screeching around the corner, way too fast. It loses control and BAM! It smashes right into the front window of the shop. I swear my heart stopped. I was so sure there would be glass flying everywhere. A huge crash. A total disaster movie scene. But nothing. The glass just held. It cracked in a spiderweb pattern, but it didn't shatter into a million dangerous pieces. I stood there, totally shocked, helmet still on, staring at this magical window. The driver was shaken, but okay. Everyone inside the store and on the pavement, including me, was safe. There were no flying shards of glass, no big gaping hole. It was like the glass just decided, nope, not today, chaos. That was the first time I saw bulletproof glass, or what I later learned is called ballistic-resistant glass, in real life. Let's talk about something we all know and fear, the dreaded phone drop. You know the moment. Your phone slips out of your hand. It feels like it falls in slow motion. You watch, helpless, as it tumbles toward the hard, unforgiving floor. Then comes the sound, that horrible soul-crushing crack. You pick it up, praying, but it's too late. The screen is a mosaic of shattered dreams. My phone screen has probably broken more times than I've had hot cups of chai in a week. Normal glass, like the kind on our phones in most house windows, is super brittle. It looks solid, but it's actually a mess on a microscopic level. The reason regular glass breaks so easily is its structure. Think of it like a perfectly arranged stack of building blocks. The atoms inside are all held together, but they are in a rigid, disorganized state. When something hits it, like your phone hitting the pavement, the force creates tiny, invisible cracks. These cracks spread like crazy gossip through a college campus. In a split second, that one tiny point of impact sends shockwaves through the entire sheet, and the whole thing just gives up and shatters into sharp, dangerous pieces. It has zero chill. Now compare that to the window I saw at the jewelry store. A whole car hit it. A car. And it just held on. That's the huge difference between regular, everyday glass and its super strong cousin, bulletproof glass. One is designed to look pretty, keep the rain out, while the other is designed to stop a speeding bullet, or, in this case, a speeding car. The weakness of normal glass is its inability to absorb and distribute energy. All that force from an impact gets concentrated in one spot, and the glass just can't handle the pressure. It's like trying to hold back a flood with a single sandbag. So what is this magical, unbreakable glass? Is it made from diamonds? Is it a secret material from another planet? The answer is actually a lot cooler, and sounds a bit like something you'd make in a kitchen. Bulletproof glass isn't one single sheet of glass. It's a multi-layered sandwich. It's made by layering sheets of regular glass with a special, super tough plastic called polycarbonate. A layer of glass, a layer of plastic, another layer of glass, and so on. These layers are bonded under high heat and pressure into one transparent unit, like a very, very strong club sandwich. The real magic happens when something hits it. When a bullet or object strikes the outer glass layer, that outer glass shatters. But, crucially, the shards don't fly everywhere. The sticky, flexible plastic layer